give you my heart.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going over Leetcode question 1089, duplicate zeros given a fixed length array of integers, duplicate each occurrence of zero, shifting the remaining elements to the right. Note that elements beyond the length of the original array are not written. Do the above modification to the input array in place. Do not return anything from your function. So if our input array is like this, the output is null because we are doing it in place, so we have to return nothing. But the array after modification is going to be this, because whenever we see a non-zero number, we just pass it. Whenever we see a zero number, we add a zero to the current zero. Yeah, and notice that our original length of the array is 8, and our array after modification is also length of 8 because there's a note that elements beyond the length of the original array are not written. Okay, so yeah, basically we can see that we basically going through each elements of the array. If the elements is a non-zero number, we pass it. If it's a zero number, we add another zero after it. And also we have to maintaining the length at the original length. Okay, let's just code it up.